Welcome back to Becky Cooks. So this inspiration was gotten from making samosa wraps. So instead of putting the fillings, you just cut it into strips and fry, and you have this delicious, crunchy snacks. So because usually when I make samosa wraps and I prepare the samosa, the ones that remain I usually used to fry and just enjoy. So I decided to, you can even do it as a snack on its own instead of just frying the remnants from your samosa wraps. So that was what inspired this, and I'm sharing it with you. I used 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of normal water, and 2 tablespoons extra just to get the desired texture. So enjoy this video, and it's so easy to make. It's very very cheap to make. Instead of making chin chin and you'll be buying flour and everything, this is a less expensive version that you can also enjoy chips. So at this Christmas season, if you're looking to cut cost for, especially for kids, and so many people are going to enjoy this, you can as well add a little bit of spiciness by adding dry black pepper. That will take it to another interesting level actually. So just enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you at the end or in between if I need to explain anything to you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a like, share, and subscribe if you have not. And if you are new here, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I so much appreciate you. So until I come your way again tomorrow, stay blessed and stay safe. Will you be trying this out? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Very crunchy and tasty snacks. Bye.